See if anybody's garbage gets moved or if they're just running the trucks up and down the streets. So far, nothing. Oh, he's leaving the sub.